All right, y'all. So I've got my base plate welded up that'll go on the bottom of my bench grinder. I welded in the bolts here and cut off the heads on the back side. Everything's cleaned up now. Now it's time to weld the rest of the mount together and put the hinge on it. So I just bought this barn door hinge. I got the 12-inch version because my bench top is a 2x6 run on edge, so 6 inches this way, which is 5.5. Plus I have 2x12s as my bench top, so another 1.5 inches. So I've got 7 inches here. So then when it sits and mounts to the bottom, you can see how much is left sticking up. So that's what I'm doing now, and I'll show you a different angle here in a second. Just got it in place. Got the hinge set on the bottom of the 2x6 on the bottom of the bench. And then as you can see, I've got my base plate right on the edge where it'll sit with the bench grinder on it. And then I'm just going to scribe a little line here right on the hinge, and that's where I'll bend it. But before I do, I'm going to get all the paint and everything off. I'm going to scratch a line in it with an awl, and that way the line is still there. So I'll bend it right here, it'll lay flat down, and then I'll weld that on there, and that's how it'll swing. So then, sorry about that. So then this is where it's sitting. It'll get screwed in down here, right there, and that's how it'll sit. All right, so we got our hinge and our vise. Just barely started to bend it here. I gotta show off some of the stuff in my shop while we're at it. My daughter makes me these little paintings and stuff. I love them. So, yeah, once in rain, always in rain, that's right. See? I need them out. Just sitting here on my bench. But that's temporary. That's why we're building this now. And no, I'm not wearing sleeves or a jacket or anything. Sorry, guys. Alright, here we go. Just going to put a couple of tack welds on it, and then put it up on a piece of sheet so I don't burn my bench up any further. But I need it to sit perfect where it's going to mount exactly to get it tacked in place, and then I'll finish the welds.